Hi, Pam here from howtopam. So today what I'm doing is I'm attempting to change the tire on my quad. You see, I've got a flat and I've got my two front ones replaced, but being a little frugal, you know me, if I can save a little bit, I'll do it myself if I can. So with my attempt, I've got my tire here that was the flat, and I had to cut it off, you see, because it was just like welded on. It was the heat or something from being on there for so long, so I had to cut it off, and I used a hacksaw. As you can see, there's like wires here, and of course, that being said, getting a flat, I had to repair my tube. So what I did, instead of bringing it in, is I've got two here, and let me show you the problem, is that it separates. Let's see if I can find where it was. There we go, right there. So they don't have, like, not all of it has to come off, right? Okay, so what I've done, there we go. That looks about good enough. Just didn't want to waste your time watching me sand it down. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get the dish soap, put the tube on, like I said, so that this will feels nice and smooth too. And then we're going to go ahead and see if it works. I mean, and if it doesn't, I haven't lost anything because I've tried it on my own before paying to get it done. Okay, so I'm going to put my tire on, and as you can see, it's pretty squeaky, eh? So to make it easier to go on, I'm going to use some dish soap and rub around right to help it get on. There. Hi, okay, so I've got my tires. What I like to think is I'm done. I'm going to give it a shot and see if I really saved myself any money. So, now to put it on, then I can go for a spin. Sure my tire is going the right way. They'll have a pattern to follow, so that's what I'll do. Alright, that's about it. Now I'm going to take it off the jack, and I checked my oil and my gas and everything is good, so now I'm going to go for a run. Out pretty good. The tire is not too bad, I'd say. Saved some money there. So that's a good thing.